Hello everyone, my name is Anju Maurya and I'm the BTech fourth year student from Faculty of Engineering, University of Lucknow, and I'm going to present my seminar and my topic is carbon fiber as a recent material used in construction. So here I'm going to begin. First of all, what is carbon fiber? So carbon fiber is a very strong lightweight synthetic fiber made especially by carbonizing acrylic fiber at high temperature. About 90% of carbon fiber produced are made from polyacrylonitrile, which is also known as PAN in short. And PAN is the polymer of acrylonitrile. This is the 3D view of acrylonitrile and polyacrylonitrile. And the remaining 10% are made from rayon. All these material are organic polymer having long string bound together by carbon atoms. And if I'm talking about the size of carbon fiber, so each fiber is 5 to 10 micron in diameter. For a sense, to give a sense of how small that is, so 1 micron is 0.00039 inches. So yeah, and uh, this picture shows the comparison between human hairs and carbon fiber. So this is human hair size and this is the carbon size. Then we can say the human hair is um, much more bigger than carbon fiber. And if you compare with web silk, so we can say it might be equal because web silk is usually between 3 to 8 microns. So yeah, this is the size of carbon fiber, which is very small. And carbon fiber have high tensile strength and very strong for their size, of course, because this is very small size. And in fact, carbon fiber might be the strongest material, have more potential than egmite and glass fiber, because glass fiber and egmite are known as very strong material. Now how process of making carbon fiber. So first of felt making, we can say blanket making or base making, and the second is resin impregnation. So third one is hot compression hardening, which is also called oxidization. In oxidization, there is more than gases include with the carbon dioxide, yeah, carbon. So in this process, we reduce all the gases at the temperature of 250 to 300 degrees centigrade, and after that, carbonization treatment. In this process, carbon atoms come closer and bound together very strongly, and this is happen on the of temperature on temperature of 1000 to 1500 degrees centigrade, and then we find our product, which is finished product, carbon fiber. Then pan based carbon fiber, some properties here. So actually carbon fiber have four types. First one is cellulose based carbon fiber, second is pan based, third is pitch based, and fourth is vapor growth carbon fiber. So cellulose is very worse than pan, and vapor pressure growth carbon fiber is outstanding, have outstanding property, but it is very expensive, so it is not in use. So pan based carbon fiber is more suitable, we can say more suitable for the construction, so I'm focusing on that. So probably the most common carbon fiber is pan based carbon fiber, and this is not graphitic. This will limit the elastic modulus attainable, but strength are greater than pitch based carbon fiber. And this is just some properties of pan based carbon fiber: density, tensile strength, Young modulus, elongation. So what is history of carbon fiber? So in the 18th century, Thomas Edison and Joseph Schwann cotton and bamboo to take filament for the early incandescent light bulb. This carbon bamboo filament carbons developed lasted up to 1200 hours, and they were the normal for 10 years until tungsten filament placed them. So not much thought was put into carbon fiber as a structure material, and until the late 90s 50, when a Union Carbide Corporation, a company The manufacturer light bulb filament began investigating replacement for tungsten filament, and they started using rayon and artificial cellulose based material, which is popular as cheap alternative not to silk and cotton as the base ingredient for carbon fiber. So this was a breakthrough moment for the sort of start of the modern carbon fiber. uh, as a resulting material shows the potential as a structural material. Researchers are all over the world took notice, and just a month later, a Japanese industry research institute began investigating how to make their own fiber from pan for salt. Then the majority of today's carbon fiber is produced with pan. The 20th century saw a tremendous increase in the demand of carbon fiber. By the beginning of 21st century, new applications and new markets sent the production of carbon fiber on upswing. And despite a global downturn in 2008-9, worldwide demand of carbon fiber increased up to 45,000 metric ton in 2010. And according to the global market forecast, the annual growth rate of carbon fiber is expected to be around 17% by 2070. This graph is so the increment in demand of carbon fiber year by year. We can say this is very huge increment. And the global demand for carbon fiber in the construction sector, and this is 2017 6 and 2022 12. So we can say this is going to in being in demand. So now what is the property of carbon fiber? So first one is carbon fiber has high specific strength. The strength to uh, uh, weight ratio of carbon fiber is much more than that of steel, aluminum, or glass fiber. This is the value of carbon fiber, which is second most strength having material. Second is carbon fiber is electrically conductive. This property of carbon fiber is both useful and harmful too. Carbon fiber dust is harmful, which is cause short circuit in electrical applications. Appliance. Then second, next one is fatigue resistance is good. Resistance to fatigue greatly depend upon the orientation of fibers. Demand in tensile fatigue will lead to the reduction in stiffness with large number of stress cycles. Next one is carbon fiber has highest tensile strength. Chunki tensile strength is the maximum stress that a material can withstand safely with while being stressed before failing. So carbon fiber does not lose their shape and dimension on stretching. It is highly flexible, and after stretching, it regain its shape almost completely. And next one is fire resistance. So fire resistance of carbon fiber is excellent, depending upon the type of process and type of precursors used. Actually, type of process means carbon fiber is totally depend upon the temperature. If we change the temperature, carbon fiber change their properties. So yep. Next one is how low coefficient of thermal expansion. Chunki as compared to steel, aluminium, and glass, it is comparatively low thermal expansion, which make it ideal for application where small movement can be critical. This table is showing expansion of uh, various material. So carbon fiber is 2 or less, and carbon fiber unidirectional 1 -1 2 +8. Next one is high corrosion resistance. Carbon fiber is chemically inert and stable, so it does not corrode easily by environmental factors such as temperature, humidity, moisture, etc. And then carbon fiber is very rigid. It measures how a material deflect under stress. So reinforced carbon fiber plastic is 4 times stiffer than the glass and around 20 times stiffer than the pine. So we can say this is very good and great as compared to steel and glass. So now the applications of carbon fiber in civil engineering especially. So first of all, reinforcing the structures. For strengthening is the one of most common cases for applying carbon fiber in building engineering. Uh, Lightweight, corrosion resistance. These are the factors which is more usable, and we can say we are noticed always to put lightweight and corrosion resistance materials. So carbon fiber is suitable for reinforcing. Second, there is main four type of carbon fiber reinforced plastic cables. First one is CRPF lamella, which is used in construction and lamination. Second is carbon fiber reinforcing plastic strip loop, which is used in winding and continuous FRP strip on two pins. Third one is rod, which is used in construction and can be planes around round or deformed. The fourth one is wired stem, which is used in twisting several carbon fiber reinforced plastic wire into a helix. So using of carbon fiber precast concrete. A carbon fiber grid is used in panel faces to replace steel mesh reinforcement. The wall panel with carbon fiber grid reinforcement can weight about 40% less than conventional precast panel. So we can easily replace the carbon fiber with steel reinforced. So main reason to use carbon fiber in precast concrete is non-corrosiveness, light in weight, and thermal efficiency, of course, low. So yeah, now the carbon fiber in bridge construction. So there is um, we can say several used in carbon fiber in bridge construction. So first one is to Shukuba carbon FRP bridge. The Shukuba FRP bridge, to authors' knowledge, is the first carbon fiber reinforced plastic cable structure in the world, which is in Ibaraki, Japan, made in March 1996. Second is Stock Bridge. The Stock Bridge is the first highway cable stayed bridge with carbon fiber reinforced plastic cable in the world. This bridge is located in Winterthur, Switzerland. It has 24 cables, stay cables. Two of them is carbon fiber reinforced plastic cable. These are the 24 cable. Then this one and this one is the carbon fiber cables. So the main reason for application of carbon fiber in reinforced plastic was to provide bridge weight reduce and economy of lifting equipment. So yeah, the next one, other uses of carbon fiber, we can say the making of dragon plates. Carbon fiber is strengthening, which is also known as binding. Repairing cracks, steel structure with carbon fiber patches. Making of sheet, a blanket, tools, uh, uh, much more things. Other applications of carbon fiber in other field, the then it is industrial automatic robotics, which is used in carbon fiber in making of car, sports bike usually. Second is aircraft and spacecraft. Third is sports goods. Fourth is military. Fifth is household application, and the last one is medical applications. So this graph is shown how much percentage is used in these fields. Then now I'm just here to conclusion. So conclusion is the carbon fiber plates are very thin, strong, flexible and durable. They can be installed to provide the optimum cost solution and give a sustainable future. It has high tensile strength, high stiffness, low thermal expansion, high resistance to fire and corrosion than any other material. The golden factor of carbon fiber is that the processes possesses strength up to 5 times than that of steel and weight 1/3 of the steel. So this can be very useful for the construction material. And in India there is a complicated situation between either to reduce the production cost of carbon fiber or increase in fiber properties. So But challenges like cost reduction, tensile and compressive strength improvement, and alternative precursors development still remain. So yeah, just looking forward, it will be soon in very useful. So the here the references where from I took all the data and information, case study and all the sites. And so I'm done here. Thank you so much.